Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 morning foods you should eat every day to kickstart your day with energy and nutrition. You lot think you can just waltz into the kitchen, throw any old rubbish in your body, and expect to perform like a Michelin star chef? It's time to get serious about breakfast, you donkey. We're not talking about some sugary cereal that'll have you crashing before lunchtime. We're talking about real food, packed with nutrients that'll fuel your body and mind. Get ready to learn, because I'm only gonna say this once. First up, we've got oatmeal. Don't you dare give me that face. You think this is some boring porridge? Oatmeal is a blank canvas. You can make it savory, sweet, anything you like. It's packed with fiber, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours, not like that sugary cereal you're so fond of. And don't even think about using those instant packets filled with artificial flavors and enough sugar to make a grown man cry. We're talking about steel-cut or rolled oats, cooked low and slow for a creamy and delicious start to your day. Next up, berries! These little gems are bursting with antioxidants and vitamins that'll make you feel like you can conquer the world. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, I don't care. Just get some color on your plate. And don't you dare drown them in sugar. Let the natural sweetness shine through. You can add them to your oatmeal, yogurt, or even just snack on them straight up. Eggs, one of the most versatile ingredients on the planet, and you're stuck scrambling them? Have some ambition. Poached, fried, boiled, scrambled. The possibilities are endless. Packed with protein, eggs will give you the energy you need to power through your morning. And don't even think about tossing the yolk. That's where all the good stuff is. Whole grain toast. None of that sugary white bread that'll have you reaching for a nap by 10 a.m. We're talking about proper bread made with whole grains that will give you sustained energy throughout the morning. And don't even think about slapping some margarine on there. We're talking about a drizzle of olive oil, a smear of avocado, or some nut butter for a truly satisfying and nutritious breakfast. Greek yogurt. It's packed with protein and probiotics, which are essential for a healthy gut. And a healthy gut means a happy you. Skip the sugary, fruit-flavored options and go for plain Greek yogurt. You can add your own fruit, honey, or a sprinkle of granola for a breakfast that's both delicious and good for you. Avocado. This creamy, dreamy fruit is loaded with healthy fats that are good for your heart and will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Add some slices to your toast, whip up some guacamole, or just eat it straight from the skin with a spoon. I don't care, just get some avocado in your life. Chapter 7. Spinach. Popeye was right. Spinach. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And no, you don't have to eat it like a rabbit. Throw some spinach in your smoothie, add it to your omelet, or saute it with some garlic for a delicious and healthy side dish. Chapter 8. Chia seeds. Tiny seeds, mighty nutrition. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for your heart and brain. Add them to your yogurt, smoothies, or even make a chia seed pudding for a breakfast that's both delicious and nutritious. Chapter 9. Watermelon Hydration Hero. Watermelon. It's hydrating, refreshing, and the perfect way to start your day on a hot summer morning. Cut it into slices, cube it up for a fruit salad, or blend it into a smoothie for a refreshing and hydrating treat. Chapter 10. Bananas, Potassium Power. Bananas. This versatile fruit is a good source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining blood pressure. Eat a banana on its own, add it to your cereal or yogurt, or use it to make pancakes or muffins for a healthier twist on classic breakfast favorites. Outro. Now go and conquer breakfast. There you have it. 10 morning foods that will help you start your day right. No more excuses for skipping breakfast or grabbing something unhealthy on the go. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It sets you up for success and gives you the energy you need to tackle whatever the day throws at you. So go on, get in the kitchen and make breakfast a priority. Your body will thank you for it.